Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on types of data and variables. This is a simplified video explaining these terms to enable you to understand what type of data you have and analyze it accordingly. Quantitative or numerical data is the data which is expressed in terms of numbers. For example, we have blood pressure readings which are taken, and this is an example of numerical data. Qualitative or categorical data is the data which includes names or labels. For example, a control group, group taking ACE inhibitors, or group taking ARBs. So building on the previous two examples, in a study, blood pressure readings of three groups, which are control, group taking ACE inhibitors and group taking ARBs, is studied. So blood pressure readings are the quantitative variable and groups which are control, ACE inhibitors and ARBs are the qualitative variable or categorical variable. Dependent variables are those which are being measured or tested in a study. So for example, visual analog scale pain scores are taken, and this is an example of a dependent variable. Independent variables are those which affect the dependent variable. For example, a peripheral nerve block group of patients and a periarticular block group of patients. When the independent variable is changed, it causes a change in the dependent variable, hence its name. Building on the previous example, in a study, visual analog scores or scale scores of two groups, peripheral nerve block and periarticular block, are taken. So in this case, the visual analog scale scores would be the dependent variable and the type of block given would be the independent variable. Thank you and see you in the next video.